Let's check out the re-enveloper, which is a free device from the Creative Extensions pack. Let's open this up. Under Audio Effects, here we have the re-enveloper. Let's load it up. I'm going to turn it off just to listen what we're working with. Just a break from the packs, one of the packs. I think it's Skitter and Step or Glitch and something, Glitch and Wash. One of those. Let's check it out. So the re-enveloper is a multi-band envelope processor. First, it's going to split the sound into 3 frequency bands. Here you can decide the ranges with the 2 splits. Here's the lows and mids and highs. We have the dry wet. And here we have the 3 envelopes. And for each frequency band, we'll be able to change the attack, release, and also the compression versus expansion factor. So you can do a lot of different things with this. Let's check it out. I'm just going to play it without and with. So the first thing we can hear is the sound is much shorter, tighter, more gated, tighter. So right here we can first of all mute the other frequency ranges. Let's listen to just the highs. Here's the volume. You can change the attack, make it a bit more diffused. It's creating some distortions in the far ends of these knobs. So right here, if I'm in the middle, it's doing the same thing. It's not doing any compression or expansion. Bringing it up, it's going to try to compress everything, so the loudest signals will be the same volume as the quietest. And this does create some distortion for some sounds. If I bring it down, it's going to expand it, so it's going to more kind of sound it like a gate, meaning it's expanding the dynamic range. The louder signal will be even louder than the quietest. The range there will be higher. Let's bring the mids. Nice. Now, it can do many different things and act as an effect or kind of as a booster. And you do get a bunch of really great presets here under the re-enveloper folder. So let's try a couple of them. Bass Crusher, Drum Dryer. That's similar to the default preset. Let's try this one. Nice. Definitely makes a lot of the high end much longer, more sustained, thicker. Excellent. So that's the re-enveloper, multi-band envelope processor, really great on rhythmical elements, but anything that you need to kind of add more body or make it tighter, kind of shorter and snappier, re-enveloper, check it out. Quite overlooked effect hidden in the Creative Extension pack you can download for free if you have Ableton Suite.